Tired of gridlock, sky-high hotel rates, and $8 coffee? Yeah, San Francisco's got charm, but sometimes you have to trade the streetcar clang for nature's quiet. That's where an RV comes in. Not just a ride, but a full-on weekend reset button. Your freedom, your terms, your view. Picking the right rig? It's all about finding the right match for your comfort zone and your sense of adventure. New to the game? A Class C RV is a great place to start. Spacious enough to stretch out, easy enough to handle without white knuckles. Planning a couple's getaway? A Class B campervan is small, nimble, and perfect for squeezing into those beachside gems along Highway 1. Bringing the whole fam? Class Cs offer bunk beds, elbow room, and just the right amount of chaos. Craving a luxury vibe without the hotel markup? A Class A delivers the goods. Real kitchens, lounge seating, and panoramic views that don't cost extra. Before you roll out, take the walkthrough. Learning how to refill your water tank by daylight beats the midnight scramble. Record it, rewatch it, thank yourself later. And if something goes sideways, Outdoorsy's 24/7 roadside support is standing by, so you can focus on stargazing, not dashboard lights. Want to stay close to home? You don't have to go far to feel a world away. Cruise over the Golden Gate, paddle around Sausalito, hike through the Marin Headlands, or wander the redwoods and Muir Woods. Lay out a blanket in Golden Gate Park, then watch the city sparkle across the bay. Got a few days to roam? Let the wheels take the lead. Sleep under the stars in Big Sur, where cliffs meet the sea. Sip your way through Napa or Sonoma, or head east to Yosemite, where waterfalls beat any Zoom background. That's the beauty of RV life. Spontaneity isn't the side dish, it's the main course. When it comes to packing, think light, snack heavy. A minimalist mindset with a grazer's pantry. And if the weather turns, even better. That's when board games, cozy naps, and rain tapping on the roof magic takes center stage. Because RV travel isn't just about where you're headed. It's about the freedom to take the scenic route, pull over for the view, and make every mile part of the story. Find your freedom at Outdoorsy.com. Your next adventure is parked just around the corner.